Lena loved music. She worked as a DJ for many years. One day, she thought, I want my own nightclub. This was her big dream. She wanted a place where people could dance to her music and have fun. Lena needed a place for her nightclub. She looked around the city. Some buildings were too small. Some were too expensive. Then, she found an old, big building. It was empty and dirty, but Lena saw it could be perfect. This is the right place, she said. Now, Lena needed to plan her nightclub. She wanted bright lights, a big dance floor, and a DJ booth. She drew pictures of how everything should look. She thought about what colors to use for the lights and where the speakers should go. It was exciting to plan her own club. Lena knew she couldn't do everything by herself. She called her friends. One friend was good with lights, another was good with sound. Can you help me? She asked. They were happy to help Lena with her dream. Together, they started working on the club. The building was old and dirty. First, Lena and her friends cleaned it. They swept the floors, washed the windows, and threw away the trash. Then, they fixed the walls and made the place look new. It took a long time, but Lena did not give up. After cleaning, they set up the lights. The lights were colorful and bright. They put speakers all around the dance floor. Now the music will sound amazing, Lena said. The DJ booth was ready, and everything was looking great. 1 week before opening, there was a problem. The sound system didn't work right. Lena was worried. We can't have a club without good music, she said. But her friend who knew about sound fixed it. Don't worry, Lena. Now it's perfect, he said. Finally, it was time for the opening night. People started coming in. The music was loud and the lights were bright. Lena was behind the DJ booth, ready to play. When she started the first song, everyone cheered and began to dance. The club was full of happy people. The dance floor was packed. People were laughing, dancing, and having fun. Lena played her favorite songs. She looked at the crowd and smiled. This is exactly what I wanted, she thought. The night was a big success. After that, Lena's club became very popular. More people came every week. They loved the music, the lights, and the fun. Lena's dream came true. She was the owner of the best nightclub in the city. She was proud of all her hard work.